This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful circle earrings at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple materials. You will need some jewelry wire, round nose pliers, wire cutters, and your favorite beads or charms. Selecting a wire gauge between 20 and 22 will give you the best balance of flexibility and sturdiness for your design. This project is perfect for beginners. Now that you have your materials ready, let's start shaping the earrings. Begin by cutting a piece of jewelry wire approximately 3 to 4 inches in length. Next, take your round nose pliers and create a small, secure loop at one end of the wire. This loop will be crucial for connecting your earring later. Then, carefully wrap the wire around a cylindrical object, like a marker, to form a perfect circle. With your wire circle formed, it's time for the fun part, adding your personal touch. Carefully slide your chosen beads or charms onto the wire. You can use one large bead, several smaller ones, or a mix of both. Make sure the beads fit snugly, but don't overcrowd the hoop, leaving about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top. This gap is essential for closing your earring securely. You're almost done. To secure your earring, create a second small loop at the remaining open end of the wire, mirroring the first. Carefully connect these two loops together, ensuring they interlock tightly to form a closed circle. Finally, open the loop of an earring hook slightly and attach it to the top loop of your newly finished circle earring. Now you have a beautiful, handmade accessory ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.